So as y'all can see, I have a ton of Salon products. Now, I usually only do hauls maybe about every other month or so, maybe every 3 months, because I buy like so much at a time. I'm thinking like every 10 weeks or so. But this is what I bought on this haul. So today's video is a Salon product haul. So if you guys haven't done it already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started. Now, for the first time ever, I'm featuring non-professional products in my haul. And I'm going to tell y'all why in just a second. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started with what I have. Oh my gosh. So, if you guys have been following my other hauls, and I'll put like the links below to my other salon hauls, you know that I love Matrix products. I love Joico products. Those are like my two mainstays. And I have been in love with like the Diva curl stuff. But I have some new loves I'm going to show you guys this time around. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get the big stuff out of the way so I can get it moved out of the way so I can show you guys the smaller stuff. So, I was running out of conditioner at the salon. And I have other conditioners, but this conditioner is like a main go-to of mine in recent times, like the past, I would say 2 years. And this is the Matrix Total Results So Long Damage. And this conditioner is amazing for just repairing hair. And if you want to do like a beautiful silk press and prepare the hair before the silk press, this conditioner is amazing. And I got 4 gallons, 4 gallons of this conditioner. And I literally go through gallons so quickly. I wish they sold every product in gallons. That would make my life so much easier. So much easier. And so those are my backward gallons. And I'm going to show you guys the products that I use on a regular first. And then I'm going to show you the products that are new, like newer. Okay, so, of course, what is a haul without Joico? Well, I don't put Joico in every haul, but Joico Moisture Recovery Shampoo and Conditioner. Main staple of mine. I've been using this close to a decade. Love this stuff. It just keeps the hair so soft and moisturized. And moisture is definitely something that you need whenever you're trying to keep your hair healthy and trying to grow your hair longer and retain length. So this is like the liter sizes of the shampoo and the conditioner. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And this is on sale, so I got a pretty good deal on it. I don't remember how much this stuff costs, but I got a really good deal on it. Generally, when I'm going to the distributor and I'm buying a whole bunch of stuff, I'm spending hundreds of dollars on like all the items. I got some processing caps, and I use these to put on top of hair after I've done like some color, and then I use them to put on top of your hair whenever I'm doing deep conditioning treatment. So I got some processing caps for them down to like hardly any, and it's like 100 in this pack. It's pretty cool. Gotta have those. Okay, also, okay, I talk about this all the time. Paul Mitchell Sugar Cleanse is one of the most amazing clarifying shampoos out there. It cleanses the hair, but it also leaves the hair soft and ready to be conditioned. I love this stuff. It doesn't make your hair feel all like squeaky, stripped. It just makes it feel really nice. I love it, and it smells so sweet and good. And if y'all guys have been following me for a while, you know that I love things that smell good. If something works and doesn't smell good, I'm still not going to use it. Sorry. But Paul Mitchell Sugar Cleanse is my favorite. They do not sell these in gallons. I have asked 1,000 times. I wish they would sell these in gallons, but they don't. So I just have to keep mine in this little liter size. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what else is like an old product of mine that I like to use. Okay. This is not old, but I've been using it probably, I would say about the past year. And it's the Diva Curl Wash Day Wonder. I love this stuff. I love this stuff. If your hair is super tangly, or even if it's matted or anything like this, the Diva Curl Wash Day Wonder is amazing. It really melts those tangles out of your hair. Now, I don't use it in the traditional way because in the salon, because I deal with so much like long hair and thick hair and tangly hair, I have to use it in a non-traditional way. But generally what you are supposed to do is like when you get in the shower, you put a little bit on, you know, your hair after you wet it down and brush it through. But I have to do the opposite. I have to wet the hair down while the customer's sitting in my chair, put loads of the Wash Day Wonder on, and then detangle. But it works out really well. I love this stuff. I always buy 2 at a time. It's amazing. I'm going to put these back here. So I'm going to put them on the floor. Put these 2. Okay, what else do I normally get? No, I think all the other products are newer products. No, this is not new, but it's a newer product that I absolutely positively adore. And I'm glad that I have the tag on here because I can tell you the benefits of it. But this is Pravana. It's the Nivo Intense Therapy Leave-In Treatment. And oh my gosh, it is so good. It softens the hair. So it has 12 ways to perfect hair. Okay, instantly detangle, provide deep hydration, equalize hair porosity, protect during thermal styling, help repair split ends, protect hair color, give hair shine, eliminate effects of static electricity, smooth irritated skin. I would never think to put rub it on my skin. Interesting. Effective pre-color treatment. Oh yeah, okay, I can see that. Lessen effects of chlorine. Oh, okay, y'all. I just found out another way to use this product. Hair cutting lotion for salon stylists. You know, this could be a hair cutting lotion, but I would not use this as a hair cutting lotion. Well, not on the hair that I do. Maybe on somebody who has like shorter hair or something, maybe. But because it's too expensive for this little teeny bottle for you to be using this on hair cutting lotion. But when it said lessens effects of chlorine, I thought of a use for this, and I probably need to make a video about this. But for all of my girls out there who go to the pool, I don't care what race you are, chlorine being absorbed into the hair is a problem. So what you could do is buy some of this Pravana Nivo and then spray your hair down really, really, really well with it before you get into the pool and go swimming. And I'm pretty sure that because this is on your hair before the chlorine hits it, that it's going to act as kind of like a barrier. So this is probably great for the summertime, for all the girls who like to be in the pool all the time. That would be a fantastic use for that. Okay, I like it. So it has like 12 different ways you can use it. I mainly use it as a heat protectant and as a leave-in conditioner, but I'm going to start recommending it for the girls who swim too. Yeah, and equalizing hair porosity. I have some customers who might need that, especially customers who have like color in their hair. Perfect. Okay, so let's move that one out of the way. And so let's get on down to the new products. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off all of the professional products that I have, and then I'm going to tell you about the non-professional, I guess like Walmart drugstore type products I have. Okay, so these are a couple of new products that I purchased, and a lot of times when I'm going to the distributor to find things, they'll have like displays with new things on there, or there'll be some new product I haven't seen before, and like I'll read what it's supposed to do, and I'll read the ingredients and stuff and see if, or smell it. I smell it, let me smell this, to see if it's something I might be able to use in salon. So this month I was really, and this has like a seal on it. Let me take it off. This month I was really looking for clarifying shampoos. Okay, this has a regular Biolage like fresh scent, but I was looking for clarifying shampoos, mainly clarifying shampoos for two reasons. I was looking for clarifying shampoos for my customers' hair that would leave it soft and not feeling stripped, and I was looking for clarifying shampoos for weave or extension hair, because a lot of times when I take it down a customer's weaves, the hair, the weave hair, the bundles, the extension hair, it winds up being like oily, super oily, and I'm going through like a ton of really super expensive clarifying shampoo trying to get the oils and stuff off. And so the reason why I went over to the drugstore brands is because I wanted to see if I can use the drugstore brands that are a little bit more cost effective on the weave hair only, on the extension weave hair only, to cleanse that and see if that'll help me get some of the oils and stuff off without me having to use like the super expensive stuff, because this stuff costs like 10 times more, like 10 times more than this. So I was just trying to be a little bit cost effective there, but I'll get to that in a second. So this is a clarifying shampoo. It says for all hair types. It smells like lemongrass. Yeah, I can smell that. Very clean. It deeply cleanses without drying the hair, which is what I'm always looking for when I'm looking for a clarifying shampoo. So we're going to try this out, and maybe I can let y'all know how it's working out. Okay, so I have some moisture products that I use. And Matrix, I absolutely love a lot of their products, and I don't have any of the moisture products. So I'm starting off small. I'm starting off and starting off with the small products. If I like it, I'll go up to the gallons. But I don't think they have this in the gallons yet, because this is a new product. But it's called the Moisture Me Rich Conditioner, and it says it has glycerin in it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like that, but we'll see. It helps restore moisture. Hair is soft, replenished, and radiant. System consists of shampoo, conditioner, and a treatment suitable for color treated hair. So yeah, so I bought this hoping that it will provide like that moisture that I'm looking for on customers' hair, but I will see you know, after a few uses, you know, is it going to give me exactly what I'm looking for? Because a lot of customers come in with parched hair and they need like a good moisture treatment. This is like a treatment more so than, you know, some of the other regular conditioners I use. And this is like the leave-in that goes along with this. So it's called the Moisture Me Rich Moisture Cure. It's a 2-phase hydration treatment. And it says a leave-in treatment that instantly revitalizes hair fibers for moisture and nourishment. Lightweight formula has low pH. It smooths cuticles, leaving hair soft, detangled, and shiny. So you apply it to towel dry hair. Let me smell it. Y'all, I did not smell this product before I brought it home, which I should have. But Matrix products usually smell pretty good. And it does. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. When I spray this, my customers are going to be like, oh my God, to me, that smells so good. So this. And you have to shake this one up because I see it has 2 layers. It says it's 2-phase. So it has like a thicker layer than like a, I guess like a watery layer. That's pretty cool. So it's a pretty color too. It's like, okay, I'm rambling. Okay, so that's that. So I'm going to try these products and you know, a lot of times I try them at home first just to see how I like them. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure it's Matrix. I'm going to love it. Okay, so, oh yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put this over here. So I finished with all other professional products. Now I'm going to show you guys the like drugstore, Walmart type products that I have here. And as I said before, I was looking for a more cost-effective solution to cleanse the weave extension hair because this costs 10 times more than this. Okay. All right. So this is Aussie Total Miracle 7-in-1 conditioner, and did a customer recommend? No, the customer recommended another conditioner, but I picked this one up because I think I picked the wrong thing, but I'm gonna try to use it anyway. And I'm gonna use this for deep conditioning the extension hair and see how that works out. If it works out well, I'm gonna keep using it. But if not, I'll go back to what I was using before. I was using professional products on the extension hair, but I'm trying to reduce costs just slightly. So if I can shampoo and deep condition the extension hair with conditioners and things that are not as expensive, because 10 times more, yeah, then it'll be cost effective and I can still cleanse them and it can still remain in great shape. I bought this on a whim because I had a rebate on it, but I just bought it. It's the Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo. Let me smell it. It smells clean and light. So I think this is like $2. So I may have with the rebate gotten it for $1. I bought that and we're gonna see how that works. Okay. And I like the color of it. I like how it looks just very clear. I like that. Okay, and also I have Herbal Essence Daily Detox. And this is Crimson Orange and Mint Shampoo. Now, I'm not like a fan of mint, but I decided to try it out. Let's see. It smells really good. I mean, it smells like a good mint. Yeah. Not that medicinal mint. It smells actually like a mint. Like the peppermint type. It smells like that. So, I'm going to try these. I bought 3 of them and see how they work on the extension hair only. I will not use this on customers' hair. Not saying that there's anything wrong with the product, but when the customers come in to have their hair done, they expect me to use professional products on their hair. Okay? So that's that. And then I couldn't help it. I wanted to try out their the Herbal Essence Hello Hydration conditioner, and I'm going to be using this on extension hair as well. So all of these are going to be used on the bundles, extension hair, weave, you know, to get it nice and clean. And then the rest of the products on my customers' hair. And if these don't work out, then I'll go ahead and continue to use the professional products on the weave hair as well. So that's everything. Ooh, sticky. That's everything that, let me bend down and get a towel. Woo! Gotta get a towel. That's everything that I purchased in this haul. And if you guys like recognize any of these products, or if you used any of these products, or you like any of these products, let me know. Leave it in the comments below. And you've seen some of my old time favorites, and you see some new ones that may become favorites. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I really enjoy sharing this information with you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, please. Thumbs up this video if you want more videos like this, and hit the notification bell. That way you can stay updated on all of my videos I upload. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.